KatVR has announced their next generation of VR treadmills, and I could not be more excited to talk about them. So let's take a look.
Just do it. Just drink, 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 drink.
Cheers and welcome to Beer and Headshots. I am J-Bar and I am incredibly excited as KatVR has announced their next generation of VR treadmills. If you have been following me, you have likely seen that the Katwalk C has been a mainstay in my VR setup. I enjoy the immersion it brings me and it's just overall fun to use, but it does have some drawbacks, which is why I'm happy to share with you that KatVR will be releasing two new VR treadmills called the Katwalk C2 and Katwalk C2 Plus. The only difference being the Plus version will have added haptics and an integrated foldable seat that they say can be used with VR cockpit or vehicle games. The added haptics in the C2 Plus version will allow you to feel vibrations as you take steps, explosions that are happening around you, and the haptics also work with the seat so you can feel additional vibrations as you drive around in a tank or fly a spaceship, for example. Both treadmills will also sport some major improvements to the original design. The most exciting is that the shoes provided with the treadmills will have optical sensors on the bottom, similar to what you have in your gaming mouse. These sensors allow for more natural and responsive movement and will give you the ability to actually strafe and walk backwards in game. You will also be able to crouch as low as you need to and get down on one knee, which is something I'm very excited for, as not being able to get down on a knee does create some limitations, especially in shooters. Some of the information has even mentioned the ability to lay down or go prone, but that part I'm still a little bit skeptical on based on the design and the fact that the demo didn't show that and KatVR hasn't directly confirmed it yet. The Katwalk C already supported PC VR and PlayStation VR, but now they say support for Quest is currently in development, and they believe it will be ready by the time the Katwalk C2 and C2 Plus start shipping in July of this year. And if you are currently a Katwalk C owner or already have one ordered, you do not need to be too bummed, as there is still going to be some ongoing support for the original Katwalk, and the new Quest integration will work with it as well once it's released. They have also mentioned that current Katwalk owners can expect to see a special discount down the road, but the lowest prices will only be around for folks that back the Kickstarter pre-sale, which is said to go live starting May 14th, with a starting price of $698 plus shipping for the earliest backers. It will cost an additional $200 to get the C2 Plus version, and the price will increase through the duration of the Kickstarter until it hits its final price of around $1,200 plus shipping for the Katwalk C2 Plus package, which is honestly pretty great, as that means the final price of the Katwalk 2 Plus will actually be less than the original Katwalk C. My guess is we may see the original Katwalk C drop in price at some point, and that would give people an option to pick up a VR treadmill for less than $1,000 if that is more in their budget. And as a reminder, KatVR is not an official sponsor of my channel, but I am incredibly happy to say that they have agreed to send me a Katwalk C2 Plus once they are able, and I look forward to setting it up and giving my thoughts here on the channel so I can show you guys what it's all about. So make sure you subscribe here and hit that bell for me so you can see what happens, and let me know in the comments what you think of these upcoming VR treadmills. You can also catch me live on Twitch using the original Katwalk C every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 8 p.m. Central Time each week on twitch.tv/beerandheadshots. Feel free to stop in and check it out. Lastly, if you want to be a part of a great VR community, check out my Discord where we get together for VR community nights once a month. I would love to see you there. Links to all my socials will be in the description below, as well as links to the KatVR website and Discord if you want to keep up on the latest news with them as well. Cheers, and we'll see you next time.